Hello everybody, welcome to Daily Entomologist. Uh, just doing a little, pretty exciting little update video here. As you see, I'm at this website called Ecology Supplies at ecologysupplies.com. And, this is actually, this place actually came about in response to Bioquips closing, and looks like they're finally up and running. So we're just going to take a quick look at it, and really exciting. I've already ordered some stuff from them. So as you see, mission to provide high quality entomology equipment. They have Cornell drawers, unit trays, pins, label paper, a couple various things. Their selection right now isn't a whole lot, but even now, from when I ordered to now, they've added a couple more products. So they are slowly but surely adding more stuff. And I imagine that as time goes on, they'll keep adding more stuff and for what other people are looking for and stuff. But they do have pins and everything, and vials, which is really nice. So the thing I ordered was unit trays. And they just came in the other day, and they look fine. Everything arrived just fine. You can see they have the different sizes again. And all that. Insta products. Here's the pins. From what I understand, these pins they don't have the nylon tips, they have steel head, as you can see. So for me personally, I probably won't be buying any of these pins, just because I like the nylon pin heads. But that's just me for my, like, I'm kind of stickler for aesthetics in that way, so. But they have pins, you can do that. Cornell drawer for pretty reasonably priced, $40, which is cheaper than what Bioquip had them. Now, from what I saw from my order, shipping is a little bit more pricey. But sometimes you're just gonna have to deal with what you're gonna get. That being said, I think the shipping is cheaper than we get from other companies from other countries. But overall, really excited to have a new supplier of stuff up and running for a majority of the things that I need. And I'll obviously have a link to this website in the description, so you guys can check it out and everything. And as you see there's more stuff that they'll be adding soon. Glass screw top vials, Cal Academy trays and everything. So that's pretty exciting. Another thing I'm working on updating is my species sheet for my collection. Basically, this sheet here is just an Excel sheet where I'm just keeping track of the species I have and everything. So I've been slowly filling it out. See, I got some of the Hymenoptera stuff here. Some Coleoptera here. But yeah, still have a bunch of stuff. I haven't filled out anything for Orthoptera or Lepidoptera yet. Just getting used to right now. But I'll start adding this into the descriptions as well if people are interested in seeing what species I have in my collection. It'll be continuously updated, so I'll mention in the videos when I post this. Just tell you guys it's an updated sheet with some new species added. But anyway, yeah, it's the main gist I wanted to show you, computer-wise, and stuff I ordered. I just ordered some unit trays of these two sizes, and then I ordered a small thingy of label paper, so I can continue making labels because I'm out of label paper. So it wasn't a big thing. I think next order I'm going to order one of their Cornell drawers and see how that works out. And I'll update you guys when I get that done. But I figured I'd just throw this video out real quick and kind of show you guys that website and everything. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.